Family Plumbing, Heating and Air, your neighborhood tankless water heater installation specialists. Featuring Navian condensing tankless water heaters. Why choose Navian? Navian condensing tankless water heaters provide an unlimited amount of hot water at a steady temperature whenever you need it for as long as you need it. Navian utilizes an ultra-efficient burner, which uses less gas, resulting in a reduction of harmful emissions. Better for you, better for the environment. Navian water heaters emit less CO2. Each installed unit equates to the photosynthesis of 14 mature cypress trees, or driving your car 420 miles less per year. Navian dual stainless steel heat exchangers provide 20 times more resistance to erosion and condensation damage than copper exchangers used in other brands, plus operate with mid-temperature water, minimizing possible lime buildup damage. At Family Plumbing, Heating and Air, we also offer the advanced tankless technology found in Murrieta's Tankless Water Heaters. Get Murrieta. Murrieta has been developing and manufacturing the finest gas-operated water heating products in the world since 1951 and is the #1 manufacturer of tankless technology. Increased environmental awareness with the conservation of energy and space worldwide has encouraged Murrieta to expand globally. It's time to send your old tank packing. The heat exchanger was re-engineered to increase thermal efficiency. The piping is 25% thicker for longer life. Wider range of water flow with the industry's first dual-flame burner. More water flow capacity automatically in the warmer summer months. For multi-unit installation, one single system controller can automatically control up to 24 units. Family Plumbing, Heating and Air, bringing you the industry's leading tankless water heater systems, Navian and Murrieta. Only the best from your neighborhood plumber, where we treat you like family. Call today for a tankless water heater system quote. Start saving money and enjoying instant hot water throughout your home.